Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can resolve your problem. Problem is that you just purchasing something in the Apple ID and you face it that you just have to contact iTunes support to complete this transaction. So you get that problem in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So how you can resolve that? Simply just go to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, simply just go to the general section and also update the iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. And after that, simply just go scroll down and just go to transfer or reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and just reset the network settings from here. After that, simply just go back and just move back and just go to Safari and simply search a spot.apple.com and just go to the billing and subscription section. Just scrolling down and option of get spot, just tap on that and they're gonna go to that options. So simply just have to just tap on the problem you're just getting. So if you are not going to do that, just tap on more. If you don't find, simply just tell us in your own words. Simply just type that just like that. You just have to tell them you facing their problem. Just like that, you have just have to recover your missing purchase items, many things, anything you just facing issues in that sections. Just tell him that. After that, simply just go back and option of also a sport app. You just have to just download the Apple Sport app from your app store and also get the proper details. You just have to just report on that going to the app and simply just report the problem and the problem gonna fix in 1 to 2 days. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.